How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to any other wallet. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now right after you open your Cash App, tap on this little USD button that you see. Once you tap on it, at the bottom you have to select the currency. So in this case, I will just select Bitcoin. Once you choose Bitcoin, you have to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and you'll also see the price tag that is equivalent to that specific Bitcoin. As you do that, tap on the send button at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the send button, on the next page, you have to paste the wallet address to which you're actually sending. For example, if you're transferring from Cash App to Robinhood, you have to copy the Bitcoin wallet address of your Robinhood account. If you're transferring from Cash App to Coinbase, you have to copy the wallet address of your Bitcoin wallet address. So just go ahead and copy it and then paste the wallet address. If it's valid, you will see the check mark over here onto external address. Once you click on external address, tap on the button that says next at the top right. Once you tap on next, you might want to confirm your cash pin or by authenticating with your Face ID or your fingerprint. As soon as you do that, you can select the type of withdrawal speed. So if you're not in a rush, you can choose the standard method, or you can choose priority or rush. You'll be able to see different fees that are associated with it, and tap on the next button at the bottom. As soon as you do that, you'll see confirm withdrawal to external wallet. So just go ahead and review all of the settings and tap on the confirm and send button at the bottom. That's all it takes to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.